back here, so I'm not going to hit anything. But I want, when I fall down, I want to keep my head forward. Let me see if I can get it, how close I can get. See what Jackie says. What I do is I don't do that whole trying to transfer back within my wheelchair or anything like that. I just say forget it, and I get my wheelchair set up. I get pretty good arm strength, so I guess that's probably one of the reasons why it helps out. And I'm a little bit wide, a little bit lighter too. But I don't have any wall to stop my wheelchair from rolling back here. So I'm going to have to hold on real hard with my left hand onto the wheelchair frame, and I'm going to put my right hand into a fist. So make sure that my wheelchair doesn't roll away. Okay, I don't know what it was caught on. Felt like I was caught on something, but it wasn't. That was good. Then I'm gonna fall down with on my right side. That was weird. Oh, she's okay. So once you've gone beyond the point of tipping, then you know that you can't recover, to get back in your wheelchair. Then you should just try and slow yourself down as much as you can to the ground, using your wheel with one hand. I use my wheel with one hand to slow myself down, and then I use my hand, stick my hand out a little bit. Because I'm so low to the ground, it's not going to break my bone. It's not going to break my bones, hopefully. So I can slow down somewhat whenever I fall. So that time I use both of my hands to help stop me from hitting the ground hard. But you also always want to keep your head forward. You never want to hit your head on the ground. I don't know about you guys, but I have enough head injuries. I don't need any more head injuries. Usually one is enough. Actually 0 is enough actually, but put my leg straps together, and always remember to put your hand in a fist when you're lifting off the ground. It might be uncomfortable, but the pain on your hand is going to go away a lot quicker than the pain in your wrist. I don't have anything to stop my wheelchair. I don't have a wall around to stop my wheelchair, so I'm trying to pull myself up. Put my right hand on my wheelchair frame, put my left hand in a fist on the ground.